In this video, we will see how to create a dropdown with dynamic option in Mini app. So here I have an API that returns this option when I call this API. So to show this option into the WhatsApp Mini app, we need to create a WhatsApp Mini app with this API. So let's go to the WhatsApp Mini app and create new workflow. Select category and select your WhatsApp channel and create workflow. Now, when you are uh, calling an API in WhatsApp Mini app, you cannot call API on the first screen. So for that, we need an additional screen in which we can call API. So on the first screen, we will just keep one button to switch to the screen 2. So in the components, we will take footer button, and in the footer button, we will click on data exchange. Whenever you are calling any API into the Mini app, you need to select data exchange. In that, click on new screen. Now on the next screen, we will call our API. So here in the data source option, we will add new data source. Click on the settings icon. Oh, this is my API URL. Once select form data, then select none and click on run and save. So once you get your dummy output from the API, then we can map it. So here I'm getting the response from my API. Now we will take a drop down component from here. And in the drop down, we will click on settings, change the label as options. Select data source type as dynamic. In the data source, select your external API call. And in the dynamic data accessor, select your main block. This is my main block in which I have all the options. So select this main directly. Now in the ID and the title, you need to select ID and title of the very first option. So this is my first option. I will select ID and the title. I will select label of the first option. Now image is not mandatory, so you can skip it if you want. If you don't want to add, and again add the footer button, submit the flow. Again, you need to select data exchange as we are calling the API in the mini app flow. To select data exchange and click on flow submission. Navigate to flow submission. Now click on save and apply.